BTOO Open 2020, Jason and Sophy here.
Hey guys, we're from Kentucky, Ohio, and if you've been in the Midwest and seen us, you know I run a couple of different events. There's one coming up in a couple of weeks in Sea Westy Bash, February 20th, 23rd, and then the big one in August 27th to 30th. Whitworth Lodge, Indoor Water Park, Cincinnati, Ohio. You can find everything about us, Jason and Sophy, with the Y. And maybe we'll see you sometime. We have a workshop for you.
Style and play. So we start off with a sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice I sent my partner into the post, but I also sent myself off to the left onto the rail. So this is 4. I'm going to my anchor. I'm going to do a sube anchor. 5 and 6. From here I'm doing an underarm turn. 1, 2, 3. Really quickly sneak forward so that it's like slightly before the 4. 4 and I'm rotating. 5 and 6, clearing the space here. We're going to do a side pass variation from here. So we got 1, 2. Now notice, leaders, I'm going to kind of keep myself as far left at the beginning of this so that I can give a nice 3 for the sweep. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we did that from here.
Sure. So followers, making sure we pull everything down, connect through our feet, through our core. I gave the followers a variation, thinking on 4, I'm pushing for 4. As I push, I'm going to drag my feet for 5, 6, and I'm going to wait for the 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, leaders are going to do something. I'm giving you a variation to do at your anchor. So I'm pulsing and popping, right? Pulsing through. From here, making sure we prep and stay over, right? Drum technique for our foot. So I'm using my core to rotate me and not my foot to bring me around.
Leaders, I did forget to mention on the underarm turn, I'll do it from here. The underarm turn, we talked about the pizza pie and we talked about, so I take my elbow across my body so I can see my partner. I'm sneaking my head through. Now also right here, I'm going to screw into this left foot so that I can bring this right foot back. That happens pretty quickly. That's and on the screw down, and then 5 and 6 is your footwork. Okay.
Yay! All right. No.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.